Expound means to explain or provide a detailed description or analysis of a subject or idea. It can also mean to set forth or present an idea or argument in a clear and systematic way. The word expound comes from the Latin word exponere, which means to set forth or to explain. It has been in use in the English language since the late 14th century and has been used in a variety of contexts over the centuries. Originally, it was used primarily in religious or philosophical contexts to refer to the act of interpreting or explaining religious texts or ideas. In more recent times, it has been used more broadly to refer to the act of providing a detailed explanation or analysis of any subject or idea. The lawyer expounded on the legal precedents that support his argument in court. The philosopher expounded on the concept of free will during his lecture. These are some examples of how the word expound can be used in context. It is used to indicate that someone is providing a detailed explanation or analysis of a subject or idea. I hope that this has been able to help ease your understanding of the word expound, and as a result, you are better able to apply it in your personal or professional vocabulary in the respective setting. Thank you for listening in.